Hello everyone, this is LeetCode75 series and this is third problem from the series. This is problem number 1431, kids with greatest number of candies. So what is happening is that in this question we are given an array of candies. Let's say we are given 2, 3, 5, 1, 3. And it is asking us to return a boolean array where so they have also given extra candies. Let me just write it. Extra candies 3. Okay, so what it is saying is that I have this extra candy, and if I give this extra candy to this kid, let's say 2 plus 3, or if I give it to this second kid, which would be 3 plus 3, and if I give it to third kid, fourth kid, and fifth kid. Now if I give them this extra candy, will that kid will have the maximum candy? That is the question. So what we can do is, first we can find the maximum candy, right? Because that is what we have to check with. If after giving them this candy, will they have the more candies than the maximum candy? So here we know that the maximum candy is nothing but 5. And then we can check if 2 plus 3 is greater than 5, if 3 plus 3 is greater than 5, if 5 plus 3 is greater than 5, if 3 plus 1 is greater than 5, and if 3 plus 3 is greater than 5 or not. And if it is greater than or equal to, we'll return true. 6 is also greater than 5, 8 is also greater than 5. Let me just put comma also so that we know that this is the answer. Then 3 plus 1 is 4, which is not true. So even if I give this kid an extra candy, 3 extra candies, he will still not have the maximum number of candies, right? So this is false. Now 3 plus 3 is 6, so this is true. And this is our resulting array which we have to send. Okay, so this question was very simple. How we will code is, first we will find the maximum candies in this, like the maximum number of candy that, like the kid with the maximum candies. And then what we will do, we will check that max if after giving the extra candy to the kid, if the kid has more than the maximum candy, and then we will return our array. So yep, now let's code it. First we are going to find the maximum candies, right? So for finding out maximum candies, first we'll initialize a variable maximum candy, and then we will iterate through the array. So we'll say for every candy in my candies array, I'll set my max candies to the one which is max of my current maximum candies that I have, comma candy. So now once I have settled that okay, these are the maximum candies I have, then I'll create my boolean array, that or vector boolean, where I'll be storing my result. So what I'm gonna do, for every candy in my candies, I'm gonna push back to my result or push back. What I'll push back the boolean value true or false if my candies plus, if I give each kid the current candy that I have plus the extra candies that is given to me. If it is greater than or equal to maximum candies, then I'm gonna return true. Okay, this is what this line does, and once this is done, I'm gonna return the result. Return result. Let's see if it is working or not. Okay, all the test cases are passing. This is working. Let's try submitting it. Okay, this is working too. Thank you everyone for watching.